Hey, we're here in the city of Lakewood, California. If you don't know where Lakewood is, it's a city next to Long Beach, but they are in the same school district. So we're here at Gompers Elementary School in Lakewood, California. It's the last day. We're giving out the chess sets, the prizes, the trophies, the medals, and yeah, let's see how things go today. I'm sure things will go smoothly, and we got all the stuff right here. We got the chess sets, all the prizes. This is just half the stuff. I came earlier and brought some stuff, so yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna give some water to my stuff. Hey, come here, por favor. All right, so what's your name?
My name is Dylan Renee Hill. That's uppercase D, uppercase R, uppercase H, uppercase ILL.
All right, cool. So what do you think about the chess club?
It's really fun
Why is it fun?
because you get to play chess with people, and chess is really fun.
All right, cool. What's your name?
Shelby Simile?
Cool. Do you like playing chess?
Yes, I love playing chess.
What do you like about the chess club?
That you get to make a bunch of new friends.
Okay. What else?
That you also get to meet different people and learn different stuff about that person.
Awesome, awesome.
My name is Danielle Rebecca Reyes, uppercase D, uppercase R, uppercase R.
What do you like about chess?
It's fun. You get to make a lot of new friends.
What about chess as the game? How do you think it's good for you?
It teaches you how to move pieces and know more about the pieces.
That's good, that's good. What's your name?
Peyton Sherrick.
What do you like about chess?
It's fun and you learn stuff like about the pieces. So it's kind of like school.
Awesome, well thank you girls, appreciate it. Not everybody gets a trophy, not everybody gets a medal. Does everybody win the Super Bowl? No. There's first place, second place, third place, fourth place. There's medals, but everybody's gonna get a chess set and prizes. Play chess. Oh, sorry. All right, we're here at Gompers Elementary inside the cafeteria. People pass by interviews while they are eating their food. And also the 3rd through 5th graders are in there playing in the chess tournament. Like I said earlier, today's the last day. So we're having the last tournament, and they're adding up all the checkmates at the end. 1st through 4th trophies. A lot of kids that are competitive in there. So we'll see what happens with the winners. Blocked, blocked, blocked. Doesn't even say excuse me. I'm trying to train them correctly. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the swimming pool so we can check out all the quarters that were at the bottom that were thrown and sunk to the bottom. We're gonna dive in there, get them, and then go play Street Fighter 2 at the arcade. Okay, just kidding. We're going into take 3, blocked.
Oh! Stop.
That's our favorite word. Oh! We're going into the 1st and 2nd grade class to see how they're doing, and then we'll go into kinder. Where's kinder? Oh, they're on the stage, huh? Hold on. All right, so real quick, this is a 1st grade. Is this 1st grade? Sorry, I get them mixed up. This is 2nd grade. 1st graders over there. We'll check them out. They're in the auditorium playing. Let's go check out the kindergartners. This is the kindergarten class. They're on the stage. Everybody say hi to the camera. Say hi. Like I always say, my favorite class, but the hardest to teach, because they're like babies. Just kidding, just kidding. Hey, you guys ready for your prizes soon? We're gonna set them up right now, Jeff, so then you can do like 15, 20 minutes early, because wow, good job, man. Okay, we have a lot of, these are the 1st graders. They're playing outside right here because there wasn't enough room and there are some sardines. But yeah, they're playing chess and doing really good. They're about to choose their prizes right now. We have Coach Alex over there playing a child. And we have Coach Natalie there chilling. Hey, we're gonna, you guys, we're gonna clean up a little early, or not a little, but we're gonna set up the prizes now. I say even 15, 20 minutes is good, because candy, you know what I mean? All right, let's go creep up on Coach Keeley. She's setting up the prizes. We have to set up the prizes. All the kids are gonna start storming out in probably 15 minutes. Oh, there's more street balls. Are those stretch balls? Yeah. I'm gonna do the chess sets right. Oh, we'll do the chess sets right there on that shade. Oh, look at, they're gonna start running over here, dude. You gotta block these tigers. Look how cute this is. I overpaid on this, guys. Now it's gonna be 20% tariffs on the shipment from China. So we're gonna have to possibly eliminate the prizes. Oh, all right, I gotta put out 180 of these. I know, hey, save me one. That is amazing. Dude, give me one. Look at the prizes we give away. Listen, in our chess program, we only give away the chess set it's as advertised. You get 6 weeks of chess for an hour, hour and a half, chess sets, chess lessons, of course, treats here and there if they're good. But also, we've been giving them prizes, and these are not cheap. These are like expensive. We give them random prizes. This is a squishy turtle burger. Don't eat turtles. It's just a toy, but yeah. Isn't that crazy? Look at, man, that Christmas every last day of chess is like Christmas for these kids. Dude, we have to consolidate because there's 180 kids here, and then there's 220 or more at Star King on Thursday. Well, that's a few more weeks before the last day. But my chess sets are scattered everywhere, so I have to consolidate and put them together. I have enough, but I just gotta find them all. Because if I order 2,000 of them from China, it's gonna take like 2 months. Oh my gosh, do we have enough chessboards? We have more kids coming. Getting a little chaotic, but it's we have 4 minutes left till chess is over, and we still got to do trophy announcements. All right, so today's the last day of chess. Did you guys have fun? Yeah. You guys want us to come back next year? Yeah. You got to talk to your principal and your teachers. Okay, I'm going to pass the mic to Coach Adam, or one of you guys are going to do it. We have 3 medal winners and first through 4th place winners. So if you win, if we say their name, make sure you clap and applaud for them. If you don't win a trophy or a medal, we're going to be back and you can do it again and have another chance to do it, okay? So this is Coach Adam, and give Coach Sebastian a round of applause, and everybody who helped in the chess tournament. Hey, give yourselves a round of applause too. You guys did great. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so we have 3 medals to give out. So our 3 medals go
Sebastian,
to
can you give it to him?
Bella,
Woo!
Archer, and Aklo. Or Akio.
Akio, okay, stay up here, stay up here. Stay up here. He's shy, don't be scared.
Okay, congratulations. So, for our trophies, a lot of rounds, but after everything said and done, 4th place, we have Rodrigo.
Woo! Good job, Rodrigo. Rodrigo, my amigo.
Okay. Then in 3rd place, winning the first tiebreaker, we have Mateo.
Mateo! Woo!
Okay. Yeah, so 2nd and 1st, I think they both won against each other twice today, so it was really neck and neck, could have gone any way. But in 2nd place, we have Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus! Woo! Good try, guys.
All right. Then in 1st place, winning the tiebreaker, we have...
Drum roll, drum roll. Gianluca! Woo! He's right behind you.
All of you.
Awesome. Some of you were close to getting a trophy. You did a great job. Just keep trying, learning chess. Go to chess.com. What's the other one? leadchess.org. And you can learn and play chess and do puzzles and stuff like that. Okay, we are having a chess summer camp. So we'll pass those flyers out to you guys probably next week, whatever. Let your principal know and your teachers know. It's going to be in down the street at Madison Elementary. So if you're interested, we'll send out papers. But yeah, you guys did an awesome job. I'm proud of you. A lot of you improved over the last 6 weeks. Great job. Give yourselves a round of applause again. You guys are awesome. Okay, it's a wrap. We're finished with Gompers, 6 weeks. And it was a success. It was great. The kids loved it. We had a tournament. We're going to the Golden Corral buffet because I'm trying to get skinnier. And Sebastian here too. He's the GOAT. It was fun. We had a great time with the kids. We're gonna be back most likely next year. Cameraman, don't get hit by the car. You're gonna go to heaven too early. Watch out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe. I think we have like 3 subscribers. How many do we have?
About like 367.
Wow. I didn't even know we had that much. Subscribe, share, like the video, and we'll see you on the next video, the next school. Oh, we gotta go to the trophy store so we can pick up trophies and medals. We ran out. Thanks. Peace.